Welcome back my YouTube channel. Balai nga panmi kum kine kiching hikai ban kran pareng. Lada piot ngel jing mentoy na kaneka video wanam glad ban share lam sheki perlok lane hayeng hasem jongpi wanam glad ru ban like share and subscribe ya kaneka channel lengin ya page ya kaneka ching hikai. What is the purpose when you mix a video? Kasi ka ay ka jing thmo haba pishna video. Everyone have a dreams. A dreams is to help people. Kasi man la uway pa uway udan la ki jing thmo ka long banyarap ya kibriu. Sometimes I don't know what to do. Kasi teng ngam tip ka ay ngan le. When you don't know what to do, pray. Kasi haba phim tip ka ay phin le duai. I see lots of people want to learn. Kasi ngayo I shibon ba kibriu kikwa patip. That is why I try to mix it every day. Kasi na kata kadaw nga persyang banshna manla kasngi. I'm not perfect, but I try my very best. Kasi ngamlong ubajanay henry nga persyang banle ya kababhata. Sometimes when we make a mistake, we give up. Kasi teng haba ngidon kajing bakla ni kanran den no. When we didn't get support, we lose hope. Kasi haba ngim yo ya kajing kermen ni do jing kermen. But keep doing your best. Kasi henry nang yai le ya kababhatam. You may lose hope today, but you don't know what will happen tomorrow. Kasi pila bandu jing kermen menta kasngi henry himtip ka ay kapanjia lashay. Trust your journey. Kasi shania ya ka jingyay lenti jongpi. Some people won't support you. Kasi kidon kato katne ngot kibriu kibom kershan yapi. If people won't support and believe in you, kasi lada kibriu kim kershan but nget happy. One day, the people that didn't believe in you will tell everyone how they met you. Shisen kasgi kibriu kibom nget happy. Ken ya tho ya baro kumno kiya kunto batpi. So never stop dying and never stop believing. Kasi te what sange banle but what sange banget. Don't depend too much on anyone in this world. Kasi what shania palat you know hakane kaparte. Even your shadow leave you when you are in darkness. Kasi what kaserngiu jongpiru kan ino ipi haba pidon ha kajingdong. Don't listen what people say about you. Kasi what's ngap ya ka ai ka ba ki breu ki ong shapang jongpi. Whatever you do it from your heart. Kasi kano ka ba pile le na do ka mansin. Do your best and God will do the rest. Kasi le ya ka babha bat ublay unle ya ka ba dangsa. Those who are here right from the beginning till now, I'm so grateful to you. Kasi kito kiba don hangne na do kapasdang hado menta nga das ngo balat yapi. Because of you, I'm here till now. Kasi namar jongpi nga don hado menta.